Yeah, here.
Oh, so now it's
Here. This is our goodbye from. This is my goodbye.
Alright, watch out, Danny. I'm going to pull flash
Ow! She bit me.
See, I mean, you've only been riding him for what, a month or two? No, well, before I rode him a month because then I got around him again, and then I started riding him again. Hey!
I miss him. I've ridden him a couple times.
I
rode him in a camp lesson. Natalia, what's that thing on your arm?
It's a wart.
Oh.
I have to get it removed.
How?
They like zap it off.
Oh.
Yeah, I've had it for like
You can do
3 years or 4 years now.
You know what you can do? Have you ever tried putting like ice on it or something, like freeze off?
Yeah, we've done the freeze off and it hasn't worked.
Maybe it's not a wart. Maybe it's just like a mole or something.
I'm pretty sure it's a wart.
Hi, pretty girl.
I'm gonna go.
Yeah, it's in that.
Yeah, don't forget it's in there, man. I saw it hanging on. There's a bird flying around.